Hey guys, I'm back. Got the rear bumper put on. Took me about, probably about 20-25 minutes to do. No big deal. Get you a shot from this way. It is powder coated. It is made in the USA. Has all the parts, pieces, has instructions. It's a well-built rear bumper. I really like it. It is powder coated, like I said. There are some brackets that mount right there, that come out to your bumper. One little thing you have to do inside the bed is put this bracket right here and these two bolts through your bed. But if you follow the directions, it's spot on. Everything worked out good. I really like it. And now I got some protection from hitting somebody hitting me in the rear and into my muffler. It does tilt with the bed, so everything works together. Okay, till next time.